because I kept sensing in my heart that we can't be the only ones. There's other people out there that have been sensing this from the Lord, that they don't quite fit in this institutional model that's around them, and maybe they don't have a home either. And so through YouTube, it gave us an opportunity to reach out and use our gifts. Larry's a gifted teacher. I'm gifted in this weird artsy thing that I can make videos. I don't know. I'm not too bad at it. So God has gifted each of us in different ways, including you guys. And so sometimes all you have to do is say, okay, God, how do you want me to use my gift now? And that's kind of what we came down to.
We were and still are hoping for enough interaction that it translates into we meet with somebody in their home, or they come to our home and we meet together, and we build a network and a community of local people on this matter. But we wanted to share and get the word out going forward in the beginning with this concept. And so we did this, and we were just thinking first and foremost local, but it's moved beyond that to across the state of Texas, and then in other states in the Union, various states in the Union. I think we've had Ohio,
Alabama,
Ohio. I can't even remember all the states that people have responded to. Pennsylvania, I think. But I was going to even go to the international.
Right.
I responded to someone in the comments section in Portuguese. I don't speak Portuguese. A brother from Brazil that was asking for this to be dubbed into Brazilian Portuguese. And so we kind of checked, and as near as I can figure, that's been done.
He has watched at least one in Portuguese, because he thanked us for it, but we didn't have anything to do with it. It was YouTube.
Yeah. So. Anyway, but Portuguese, and you were telling me about somebody in Uganda?
Yeah, there was a guy in Uganda, a young man, and I say he's young because he said he was, and he was thanking Larry and just really saying that this was such a blessing. And he said, you have no idea what a heritage you're leaving, or something like that, for legacy you're leaving for young people like me. And that one touched my heart so much, because we have, I don't know what his age is, but we have grown grandchildren, and we're starting to get great grandchildren. And so, especially for someone in a younger generation to be able to receive from us at our age, that was just a real blessing.
The fact of the matter is that's international. We're getting a reach that is just mind-boggling to me, that we're reaching out without leaving Corpus Christi, Texas.
Yeah, we went to Papua New Guinea years and years ago when we were younger, and it took us a lot of time and money to even be able to just get there, and to think that God's using what we're doing now on kind of an international level, kind of like a little touch of the missions there. So that's kind of cool.
Thank you yet once more for your help in reclaiming first century Christianity what it is and what it can be.
Yes, thank you. And God bless, and y'all have a beautiful week.
Thank you.